For a word, a welcoming note, something of that nature. Therefore, straight, Your Excellency, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I would just like to put the protocol right. I'm the one who is supposed to invite the mayor for the occasion. So may I first take this opportunity to welcome all the businessmen in Moshi who have been invited this evening for this occasion. Secondly, I would like to welcome the dealer who have just been introduced to us this evening, to Moshi Municipal Council, especially Salnero at this venue. And lastly, I would like to, before I welcome the mayor of Moshi for a welcoming note, I would like first to say that I'm very happy to have this audience of the businessmen in Moshi. We have got a long friendship between the Japanese and the Moshi Municipal Council way back. In the years, we have had exchange visits between Moshi and the Komaki City, who are sister city of Moshi Municipality. The mayor, myself, and some of our school and teachers have been traveling to Japan for study visits. Not only for study visits, also we go for business. And we have been inviting the businessmen in Moshi to go to Japan and see what Japan presents for us. Japan is an industrial country. It's an advanced country. It's a country with a jungle of buildings, cars, and everything. There are so many opportunities between Moshi Municipal Council and the Japanese. I would like to welcome the mayor, His Worship Mayor of Moshi, to welcome the distinguished guests from Japan, so as to express themselves, their intention of being here, the extension of exchanging business between Moshi, the Moshi businessmen, and the Japanese. Please, His Worship Mayor, welcome.
Director Mama Benedetta Kinabo, the President of Rama, Mr. Jagas, and the other colleagues from Japan, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this very important evening occasion. It is the first of its kind, but I hope it will continue. May I say I'm very proud to get the visitors from Japan. We have friendship with Komaki City. They have been so nice and so beautiful to our Moshi Municipal Council. They have already supplied us with one fire truck and also another one for supply of collection of hard material. And there has been, as my director said, some of our teachers and the students have been going to Japan and they exchange visits. And also several businessmen from Japan have been coming to Moshi. And in fact, we have decided to give a piece of land for the Komaki City to build a rest house. When they come, they stay there, and when they are away, we can collect the rent for our own use in Moshi. May I say a word? I know you are a motor dealer, and we have got several businessmen around who are interested in your business. After your speech, we shall give you audience for them to give you questions, share discussion, and later come to a solution.